Today I'm reviewing the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Toning Toner. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsor ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsb.com, join Patreon me, or click on the link below. I don't know what a toning toner means. Isn't that kind of like a repetition? Toning toner? Like a serum-y serum? Whatever. Anyway, what do I know? I don't know anything. I will say I do know this. Skin 1004, apparently in another language, 1004 means angel. So the brand name really means Skin Angel. So anyway, kind of interesting. I got a kick out of that by a friend of mine that speaks multiple different languages and also Patreon. But he speaks a ton of different languages. So Skin 1004 really means Skin Angel, which means more to me than Skin 1004. But maybe Skin Angel is already taken as a name. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway. Okay, so they call this a gentle pH toner that soothes, exfoliates, hydrates, and brightens in equal measure. Contains 84% Centella Asiatica extract, hyaluronic acid, betaine, alongside other brightening and anti-aging ingredients to produce a fresh, supple, wrinkle-free finish. I think I just saw a dog come down the stairs. I'm interested to see which one it is. Is it going to be Ike or is it going to be Lincoln? Because I predicted Ike would not come downstairs because he's been naughty. And he doesn't want to come back downstairs because he wrecked something down here yesterday. Now he doesn't want to be around what he wrecked. It is Ike! He's brave, man. Come here, Ike. Come here. Come say hi to everybody. Come here. Just, hi, you're just a baby. Yeah, he's doing pretty good. Yeah, I can't believe he came downstairs. You're brave, Ike. I'm shocked he came down here because he was naughty. He wrecked something the other day. Okay, so, anyway, very disjointed review. Okay, so they use betaine alongside other brightening and anti-aging ingredients to produce a fresh, supple, wrinkle-free finish. Okay, so then they mentioned to use, soak up proper amount in a cotton pad and wipe on to cleanse face, patting gently for optimal absorption. I'm just really surprised I came down, because he wrecked something, and anyway, I think he tries to blame Lincoln for things, but then again, I think sometimes Lincoln wrecks things and then tries to blame Mike, and then
I caught him red-handed.
Yeah, that's true. Cameron did catch him red-handed, so. Okay, anyway, on to the review. I'm just really shocked he came down here. He's pretty brave. Okay, my first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. I will say it doesn't look like I've ever used this. This is my second bottle, so it's not like I just bought this and I'm reviewing it without testing it, because it's a pretty full bottle. I will say if you store it in the cabinet away from the light, it's better. Centella Asiatica is an antioxidant, so you want to keep it away from light and air as much as possible. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no real scent. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. I have their ampule as well, and it is one product I just can't review. I can't review it. I just, the ingredients, there's conflicting ingredient lists out there. Like, one list has one ingredient, there's another list that has, like, 4 ingredients. And I look at the ingredients, I'm just like, I don't even know what to do with it. Because which ingredient list is correct, I don't really know. And, anyway, I think I did a video about it. I just couldn't review it. Although I will say it is pretty cool when you look at the back of the sticker and you see the mountains. That's kind of cool. Anyway, the back of the sticker on the bottle. Okay, so ease of use. I'll do a quick pH test just in case inquiring minds want to know. So ease of use. So you can pat it on the skin after cleansing. You can use a cotton pad. I prefer to use a cotton pad because then I do it after cleansing, and then I just feel like with that cotton pad, it helps remove any residue that might be left over, residue, oil that might be left over after the cleansing. So for the pH of this, it looks to be almost identically right on 5. So no issues with that at all. So using a cotton pad fit, press it on your face and neck, or you can just pat it on the skin. But again, I like using a cotton pad, especially after cleansing, just to make sure I remove any residue, or if I can rinse properly, rinse well enough. Water texture, it absorbs quickly and sets to a natural finish. Ike's making a second appearance. Hi. Oh, he's gone. Ike, come here. Look at Ike. Look at it. It's a toning toner. He's not impressed. He's really making his presence known, though. I'm impressed with him. No, now he's gone. Okay, so beneficial ingredients in this one. So we've got Centella Asiatica, which is soothing, antioxidant, hydrating, wound healing ingredient, amazing ingredient. We've got Niacinamide, which is anti-acne, skin barrier repairing, and skin brightening. We've got glucolactone, which is an exfoliant PHA that also has antioxidant, barrier repairing, and hydrating benefits. We've got adenosine, which is a cell communicating ingredient. Licorice root extract, skin brightening, antioxidant. Betaine, nice humectant. And then finally, hyaluronic acid, another humectant. So not a super long ingredient list, but a nice one, short, great for super sensitive or reactive skin types. You don't have a ton of ingredients to worry about. Pretty short ingredient list, so no issues with that. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free as well as vegan, so that's awesome. No issues at all with that one. For performance, it's a nice gentle toner. It's, in my opinion, this one is truly a good option for pretty much every single skin type. There's not a lot of products that I can say are a good option for every single skin type out there, but this is one of them, and it's because of that shorter ingredient list, but with some nice soothing and antioxidants in here. I'd say it's good for sensitive skin, oily skin, dry skin, acne-prone skin, normal skin combo. Pretty good overall product. I've enjoyed this one enough to repurchase it, which when it comes to products, there's not a lot I repurchase it. Not a lot that I repurchase. A lot that I want to try at least once and try it, and it's okay, but not enough to repurchase it. This was one of those. Great with a cotton pad after cleansing. And then for acne-prone skin, there's only one ingredient of note, and that's Carbomer, which is pretty low. Not an issue for most people, but for super acne-prone skin, it could be potentially an issue. Okay, in terms of price, so this is a full size, which is 210 milliliters, 7.4 ounces, and it retails for around $25. But check out a couple stores because sometimes you can get it for a little bit less. But even if you're paying $25, I think that's a good deal for the amount of product you get, how far it goes, and how well it works. I don't think that price is far off base. In terms of the it factor, so there's a few similar products out there. Rovectin Skinny Essentials Activating Treatment Lotion, the PSA Hair and Mandelic Toner, the Paula's Choice Resisting Repairing Toner in the light blue bottle, and the Good Molecules Niacinamide Toner are all pretty similar dupe products, comparable products to it. Some of those are more affordable than this one, but not all of them. But overall, it's a great product. It checks all my boxes. Liked enough to repurchase it, which says a ton, especially with toners. So, anyway. You know, I'm bummed, though, because I did my video on toners I repurchased, and I think I repurchased this one after I made that video. So, anyway. Oh, well. I'll have to do an updated addendum. Okay, so with a 10 being a perfect score, I give this one a 10. It's a great product overall, and one that's truly a good option for pretty much all skin types. So, anyway, interested hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are. So leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.